Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new tutorial series for Python beginners by Knowledge Doctor. So in this tutorial we discussed about string. In previous tutorial we are discussed about variable, data types and also receiving input from user. And this time we are trying to discuss about string. So let's talk about actually what is string. String, it consists of some character. Okay, after joining some character it makes a string. Okay, it's like a word. Okay, so let's open our Jupyter notebook. I will open it here. Okay, so let's take a string. Okay, so let's say name equal let's say string are you have to be put here in a double quotation, or you also put here in a single quotation also. So that's a knowledge doctor. So my channel name here, so shift enter. So it is a string because it's consisting some of character. So K N O W L E D G E and also space. Okay, and doctor DOCTOR doctor. So okay, so it's a string. Okay, so we are performing some operation like string slicing and concatenation. Okay, so in Python it's so easy. Okay, for slicing. So let's talk about actually slicing. So slicing means dividing the character. So let's say name. For slicing you have to put here the bracket here. Okay, and if you're slicing, let's say K N O. So here character for 1 2 3 4. So you have to simply put here colon 4 and shift enter. So you can see no. Okay, so it is called the slicing. If you are wanting to start it as position number 1 here, so simply put here 1. Okay, and put here, so you can see now. Okay, so these K is slicing. Okay, so this one a character, because you can see here is inside a single quotation. So NOW is a character and it's consisting as string. Okay, so if I wanted to print it length here, so let's say length is a method. Simply you have to put here in this parameter list, you have to put here this variable length. We already discussed about variable in my previous videos. Okay, so shift enter, frequency 16. So 16 is the length of the string. So let's check it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and also the space. Okay, 10 11 12 13 14 16 15 16. Okay, 14 15 and 16. So the 16 character. Okay, also be the string. Okay, if you wanted to slicing this character for K also be, so you have to simply put here, let's say name, and put here simply 1. So you can see K only. But if you are wanted to slicing the last character, I mean R, so you have to simply put here -1 for the reverse order. So it will give you let's say not colon here. Okay, so here you can see R. Okay, so you don't have to put here colon because initially colon is start for 0. Okay, so you put here simply 0 to -1. So it's slicing to here, here to here. Okay, so here to here. Okay, so you can see knowledge dot to. Okay, not R here. It's slicing the R here because we are trying to slicing our string 0 to -1. So -1 means the last position. Okay, so if you're trying to put here -2, so it will put here the last 2 position. So you can see knowledge dot. Okay, if you put here like say 3, so you can see dot. So knowledge dot. Okay, so here is it. So if we're trying to let's say trying to print this character here, let's say -16. So you can see here cat. So if we're trying to joining this all of the character, okay, all of the characters, so it's containing string. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so for KN, okay, so you have to put here a plus because we are trying to concatenate it. Okay, concatenate the string and consisting a string. Okay, so try it. So -60 here and you have to put here -50. So KM, the second character of it. Okay, we are going to go into the reverse order. Okay, because we are put here minus. So that's a trick. Okay, you have to don't need to memorize it. Okay, so you put here shift enter, so you can see and K and O. Okay, so if you put here simply, let's say past here, and simply put here at 3, so you can see here no. Okay, so here is a no. Okay, so it is a string. Okay, so it consists in this character like K, then M, then O, then W, and it consisting a string. So if you're trying to print this type, okay, so let's take a variable here. So say result equal. So if you're trying to print is type, okay, so let's say type here, and you have to simply put here the result. Okay, and let's try to print it here. Okay, so let's say a print. Okay, and simply put this bracket. So you can see name result is different. Okay, I have to run it here. Okay, so you can see class is string. Okay, but we are concatenate this character. Okay, so it is a character for K, it is a character for N, it is a character for O, and it is a character for W. Okay, so both your character are concatenated and making a string. Okay, so here this string. Okay, so you can simply slicing all the character, like say if I say here let's say name one, and this time we are trying to use our previous, so let's say enter a name. Okay, or you can see here enter your first, so let's say enter your first name. Okay, and simply put your name 2. Okay, so you can see here let's say F name or L name. Okay, so first name and last name. Okay, so F name and let's say here L name for last name. Okay, so simply put here the input. We're trying to reverse it. Okay, in our previous video also. Okay, so let's copy it here and paste it here, so enter your last name. So now we are going to concatenate first name and also the last name. Okay, so you have to simply put here plus, I mean positive sign. So let's say result, let's say demo here. Okay, so F name plus L name. Okay, so after print it here. Okay, let's say print and let's say result demo. So hit enter. So you can see here something like you have to put here Mishu. Okay, so first name and put here Dhar. Okay, so you can see Mishu Dhar. Okay, so here's the tutorial. So please guys, make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for never missing update. Okay, bye bye, stay safe.